200 grams sweet potatoes, peel and cut into pieces. Take a pan, pour it with water. Add pieces of sweet potato. In a mixture jar, add 1/2 cup chickpea. Green chili. Ginger. Garlic. Lemon juice. Roughly grind. Mash the sweet potatoes. Add grinded chickpea. Turmeric 1 teaspoon. Garam masala 1 teaspoon. Chopped onion. Salt. Roasted cumin powder / jeerawan powder 1 teaspoon. Red chili powder 1/2 teaspoon. Black pepper powder. Oil 2 spoons. Add breadcrumbs or bread. Make a ball shape. Baked at 200 degrees for 15 minutes.